Hello, you are watching TV9 News. I am Amrutha. The United Kingdom has approved human challenge clinical trial for evaluating the best COVID-19 vaccine. Such a trial is a first of its kind in the world with regards to COVID-19. Let me briefly explain what is human challenge trial before I tell you more about the UK experiment. According to the World Health Organization, human challenge trials are trials in which participants are intentionally challenged whether or not they have been vaccinated with an infectious disease organism. In other words, deliberately infected. What is this experiment all about? 90 healthy volunteers between the age of 18 to 30 will be deliberately exposed to the SARS coronavirus 2 in a safe and contained environment. Some of the volunteers could be given one of the COVID-19 approved vaccines prior to being exposed to the virus. Scientists will then evaluate which vaccine candidate and treatment is the most effective in beating the virus. A very small amount of the March 2020 virus variant will be used for the trials. The UK government, along with Imperial College London, the Royal Free London NHS Foundation Trust and clinical company hVivo is conducting these trials. The question is, why is it being conducted at all? The UK government also stated this reason that it will help doctors understand how the immune system reacts to coronavirus and how the virus is transmitted. Moreover, the scientists involved say that the data from the trial can also perhaps answer questions on how to stop reinfection. Obviously, when volunteers are going to be deliberately infected with a disease which wreaked havoc for more than a year, there will be some risks associated with it. I spoke to Dr Sitesh Roy, an immunologist based in Mumbai, about these risks.
I really don't think that the world is at a stage where human clinical trials can be done for SARS CoV2 COVID-19 because the virus is still evolving, it's changing, and also we don't have a definitive and successful treatment to prevent an unlikely, untoward incident. Any human participant participating in such a challenge trial needs to know that while the monitoring and the care provided will be optimal and the best possible, the untoward risk of getting an infection that turns from mild to moderate to severe and potentially cause loss of life cannot be 100% guaranteed in any trial like this. So it is a risk that is being taken. It is a calculated risk.
The world has used human challenge trials for discovering the best treatment for several other diseases in the past too. Dr. Roy explained some of these.
When people give examples of malaria trials or cholera trials that have been done in a similar way in humans with challenges, remember that we do have successful and effective treatments available for malaria and cholera. We do not have that for SARS CoV2 COVID-19.
The UK government says that volunteers who have lesser chances of developing complications will be admitted and compensated for their time as well. But the ethical question on using humans as lab rats and the possibility of the volunteers belonging to poor socio-economic backgrounds still remains. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the human challenge trials, science or ethics. Which side should the world choose? Like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you for watching.